Now if you want to clear your conditional formatting, simply go up to the conditional formatting command and select Clear Rules. Then you can choose to clear the rules from a selection or a range, or you can choose to clear the rules from the entire sheet. I'll select the entire sheet, and all my rules are gone. Now you don't have to use the built-in conditional formatting rules. You can also create your own rules. So for example, I'm going to select my range, conditional formatting, and I'm just going to select New Rule. Now I've got all kinds of things that I can do here. I can create a rule based on cell values, based on formats, based on top or bottom ranked ranges. I can create a rule based on the fact that the data is either above or below average. I can find duplicates or unique values. Or I can use a formula that I build that does some specific task. In this case, I'll build a rule based on cell values, and then I'll just pick my format style. I've got a 2-color scale, 3-color scale. I can either do data bars or icon sets. I like these icon sets, so I'll select that. Initially, Excel tries to build icon sets based on a percentage of values. So for example here, this says percentage. I want this to be a number. And I want this to be a number. So in my particular case, I want to say if the value is greater than 2,000, or I should say greater than or equal to 2,000, there's the comparison operators, greater than or equal to, and I can also select greater than, but this is fine for me. And at the next breaking point, I'll type in 1,000. Now let's look at what this says. This basically says if the value is greater than or equal to 2,000, make the icon green. If the value is greater than or equal to 1,000, make the icon yellow. And if those two conditions aren't true, make the icon red. Now you'll notice here, it says yellow when less than 2,000. Well, that's the same thing as greater than or equal to 1,000. Excel tries to help you fill your parameters. So when you type in, for example, greater than or equal to 2,000, Excel will type in when value is, and then if you have a second condition, Excel will enter in when less than 2,000 and greater than or equal to 1,000. And then the last condition, when less than 1,000. So it incorporates your numbers into its phrasing. And finally, you can change your icon styles. You have several options to choose from. And as you change and select, you'll see the icon styles will change here, giving you a preview of what they'll be. I like these, so I'll keep these. And then you can specify whether you want the icons to be in reverse order, meaning a higher number is good or higher number is bad. So in this case, I've got higher number equals good, which is green. If I do reverse order, higher number would be bad. So for example, if you were doing a report on inventory and overstock is bad, higher number would be bad. And then you can select to show icon only, meaning in the cell, you'll only show the icon and not the value. But in this case, I want to show both. When I select OK, my conditional formatting will be applied. Now if I needed to edit this rule, I would simply select the cells, click on Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. I'll see my conditional formatting rule here. Select it, click on Edit Rules. And then I can do whatever editing I need to do.